Hello, and today's video is going to be on some things I picked up from the Daiso Japanese. Basically it's a dollar store, but everything's from Japan. My last video was on this little saw. Today, coffee. I don't know if this is less caffeine or no caffeine because I don't read Japanese, but this is a neat little item. Now, initially I thought these were like tea bags with coffee in them, but they're not. They're actually a pour-through filter. I have a bigger or a larger glass one that makes quite a bit of coffee. These you can carry with you and make them on the go, but you need boiling water. So let's get that started. And this is a little stove I picked up. I got a video on this little stove. Once it's turned on and going, you don't want to move it or it flares up real bad. So I guess now we get to watch water boil. Or I could just edit the video and not have to worry about that, which is what I'm going to do. I've got a cup. Milk is already in it, or heavy cream, because I didn't want to carry it out here in a separate container. It's got some Splenda sweetener in it. And we'll go ahead and set this up. Gonna move the camera. Alright, you can probably hear that going in the background. The way you use this, these fold out, and you cut the top off of it. And then this folds out like a little square. And that is what you pour your water into. So as soon as that boils, I'll show you how it works. I also have handy dandy spoon. So let's let the water boil, and then I'll show you how it works. Alright, water's boiling. So I'm going to turn this off. Readjust the camera. Now, I'm going to try to pour this in here. There's the package again, without spilling it, because that was hot. So don't do what I just did. Otherwise you'll burn yourself. I didn't have it back far enough. Hey, that's what they make gloves for. This does not have a spout. It's my Stanley French press maker. So let's just see if I can do this. And what you do is you carefully pour it into this little pouch, and it will drip through. You can see it dripping through the filter, and you got to kind of watch your speed. And there was cream in the cup and Splenda artificial sweetener. So this is how you can make a cup of coffee if you're out somewhere. Now I'm going to carry these when I travel, because most hotel rooms have a little coffee maker with horribly bad coffee that you can make. And this coffee is, not the greatest, but it's good coffee. It's not the best I've had, but it will do me. And it's better than most of the coffees you get in those makers in the hotel room. And there you go. You got a cup of coffee. And then what you do is lift this out, let the last little bit drain out. I'm going to put it in my Stanley so it doesn't get my table wet. This packet right here comes with 3. I've used one. This is my second one. It's light, it's compact, it's smaller and less weight than carrying a jar of instant coffee. And this is not instant coffee. This is regular coffee, just really finely ground. And it comes in handy. It's a nice little item to have with you when you're traveling, or I guess when you're out running around or hiking, whatever you're out doing. It can fit in a day pack real easy. Put them in your car. I'm going to pick some of these up and put them in my day pack and keep them in the car and stuff, because in the packet they'll stay fresh. Now once you open them, they're not going to stay fresh anymore. It's still going to take a long time before they go bad, but you can leave these in a pack or a car sealed up for ever and a day. But anyway, that's one of the items I got at Daiso, Japan, and it's a Japanese dollar store. And I'm going to let that cool down and then drink me some coffee. So thanks for watching the video.